Hello and welcome back to MetaMath. In this video, I'm going to be covering the 2019 AMC8 problem number 21, which reads as following. What is the area of the triangle formed by the lines y equals 5, y equals 1 plus x, and y equals 1 minus x? So after reading this problem, it's clear that we're going to be dealing with coordinate geometry. So the first thing we'd want to do is draw the coordinate plane. So I've gone ahead and drawn the axes. And to form a triangle, we need 3 points. And the key takeaway here is that each of these lines has a pairwise intersection point. So the 3 points will each intersect each other and give us an intersection point. And this is really easier to see if we graph them all out. So we can start by graphing y equals 5, which is a horizontal line at y equals 5. So if we go in both directions, we have y equals 5 like this. Y equals 1 plus x starts at 0, 1 and goes up with the slope of 1 like this, and also goes in both directions. Y equals 1 minus x again starts with the y-intercept of 0, 1 and has a slope of -1 in both directions. So we see here now that we have the 3 intersection points that we need to form our triangle that is bounded by the 3 lines. So now that we have our 3 points, we can go ahead and find the values or the coordinates at those points. And this one right here is shared by 2 lines, so 0, 1, that's the y-intercept. This one right here is at y equals 5, so it's going to have 4, 5. And likewise, this one is just reflected, so it's going to have -4, 5 as its value right here. And now that we have the coordinates, we can go ahead and use our triangle formula. A equals base times height over 2. So if we call this the base right here, and this right here the height, we know that this is perpendicular because it's the mid segment right here. So we can use our formula now. So to find the value of b, we get b is 8 because -4 to 4, it's on a flat line, so we can easily measure that distance, times the height, which is 4, because the midpoint of -4, 5 and 4, 5 is simply 0, 5. Distance between 0, 5 and 0, 1 is 4 because they're on a flat line again. And 8 times 4 divided by 2 is our area. So 32 divided by 2 is simply 16. And that's the answer to this problem, E16.